Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this nice 2022 Kia Stinger GT line. This vehicle has 300 horsepower with 311 pound-feet of torque, 2.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. I've always liked the Stinger. I think it's a great car. The GT is the top trim, of course, but the GT line is like the 4-cylinder version if you don't want to pay all the money for the GT. But this car is honestly pretty impressive on its own. 300 horsepower is a really strong number, and 311 pound-feet of torque. Plus, it does 0 to 60 in like basically 5.5 or 5.7 seconds or something, which is not bad at all. You have this shifter in the Kia Stinger GT1 and the GT line. You have Smart, Eco, Comfort, Sport. You have the more basic gauge cluster in this one. The GT1 and GT2. Or maybe actually only I think the GT2 will give you the bigger screen in the center. Here's your infotainment system. Looks pretty good, looks premium, reminds me of German infotainment systems. Everything is laid out right in front of you. It's nice. Here's your backup camera in this vehicle with the parking sensors as well. You also have nice paddle shifters behind the steering wheel for your use as well. And here's the center console. I like how it says GT line on the headrest. This car does not have a sunroof though. The wheels look pretty good too. This is like the facelifted Stinger design. I like the headlights, reminds me of Porsche headlights with the 4 little white lines. The Stinger takes a lot of design elements from German cars. I really like the back. It looks really cool with the quad outlet exhaust and everything like that. It says GT line all-wheel drive. You also have the good space in the trunk as well, as it's a hatchback. And here are your rear seats. Let's go for a drive in the Stinger. Excuse me if my voice sounds a little bit weird. The cold weather has gotten the better of me. Let's see how it drives. And also, my favorite part is the steering wheel. Steering wheel looks awesome. Flat bottom, nice shift paddles. The steering leather, the leather feels wonderful too. It's high quality leather. And so, in this car, like, it just feels very premium in here. Like, Kia did a great job with the Stinger. One thing that was very important that they did was change that horrible, ugly Kia logo that they had in the past. This black circle looked awful. I really like this logo. It makes it more premium. A lot of people seem to like it too. When it first came out, people were wondering, searching up what's a KN car, because it looks like a K with the backwards end. But I really like the logo. I think it was important that Kia rebranded their logo, because their old logo was probably one of the worst logos in the car business. But this one looks way better. The KN badge is what I call it. And so you do have blind spot alert, as you can see in the mirrors right there. Seems like there's a bit of traffic, so bear with me. But yeah, I really like the leather. It just feels so soft. It feels like very high quality leather. Can't even lie. And this 4-cylinder sounds pretty good. If you watch my videos, you know I don't really like the sound of most turbo 4-cylinders. They just don't sound all that great. But this one sounds pretty good. It has a good rumble to it. It has like a deeper tone. Nice handling. That's impressive. That's a nice X5 M50i in front of us. Nice. This car is quick, guys. It is impressively quick for just being the GT line. It's a good thing that the car's not like super slow. Kia just puts the GT line badge on it to make it seem fast and cooler. It actually is pretty quick, which is cool to see. The Kia Stinger GT though is like a full second faster basically. It has 368 horsepower, I think. So basically 60 to 70 more horsepower than this car does on an average. And you can see my phone's in the wireless charging tray. That's a little nice thing to have. I like this spot for the wireless charging tray. It's not in some weird spot. It's easy to reach. It's like a little cubby for your phone, which I like. That's a good feature. Looks like a U-turn right here. Nice. Pretty good turn. That transmission's great too. It's a really nice transmission. This is a really nice car to drive. And it looks really good too. Like, I think the Kia Stinger is a great daily driver. Like either the GT line or the GT. And the exhaust tips look really cool. Like, they look really similar. Like, most people would just think it's just it's a GT. I mean, as I said, 300 horsepower is no joke. There are a lot of luxury sedans out there that don't have anywhere near that kind of power in like the more basic trim level, right? They have like 250 horsepower, 240, 300 is no joke. This car is fun to drive for sure. I really like the way it drives. Great car right here. Kia has done a great job in the last few years, as Hyundai. Kia and Hyundai have done a great job in rebranding themselves, making more premium vehicles which are stylish, right, and have a good value. They always have had a good value. That's the thing. I mean, in the past, Hyundai and Kia just used to make really cheap cars, and people bought them only for the warranty and the cheap price. They didn't want to drive a Hyundai or Kia. But now people want to drive a Hyundai or Kia. That's the difference, because they're making great designs, great features, great driving vehicles. I'm very impressed with Hyundai and Kia, and I'm very impressed with this Kia Stinger GT line. It's a great car. But let's just look through the interior real quick. So everything looks pretty easy to use. You have the map, which you can look at. Pretty nice. It's a nice interior, that's for sure. Heated steering wheel as well. I didn't even realize a heated steering wheel. And you can also hit this camera button if you want to see the camera, make voice memos and all that. But overall, this is a very nice little car right here. If you're thinking about getting a Kia Stinger GT line or GT, go for it. They're great cars, great value, a lot of power for the money, and great looking cars. It's just a really nice car. But thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles like this Kia Stinger GT line.